Okay, now I want to talk about how changing a set of data might affect the mean, median, and mode. So I got this little problem here set up. So just imagine I'm tutoring some students after school about mean, median, mode by comparing the salaries. And then my good friend, Bill Gates, and he's such a good friend I don't even capitalize his name. He's that good of a friend, comes in. And how does Bill Gates' salary affect the mean, median, mode of the salaries in the room? Okay? And so what I have here is the salaries of myself. I make $11 per hour. This is awesome. Sally, she makes $9 an hour. I got Jack and Paul. They both make $8 an hour. And then I got Bill Gates. He only makes $138 million an hour. Not a lot, but a little bit more than what we make per hour. So I want to figure out how does that affect the mean, median, mode if we add it in. So right here I got this table, and we're going to find the mean, median, mode without Gates. And then I'm going to find the mean, median, mode with Bill Gates in there and just kind of see which one does it affect most, adding him in, his salary in there. What does it affect the mean most, the median, the mode? Which is most volatile? So let's kind of figure that out. First, let's find we can do a couple of these pretty easily, right? Paul, let's do the mode first. There's two 8s in here, so the mode actually for both of these is 8. So with Gates and without Gates, the mode doesn't change at all. So adding the $138 million, that really doesn't do much. Let's check the median. The median would be 8, 8, 9, 11. So remember, we put those in order: 8, 8, 9, and 11. And then we got to find the middle two. And then we take the average of those middle two. So without Gates, the average is 8.5. Okay. 8 plus 9 is 17, and then 17 divided by 2 is 8.5. Now, to find the median with Gates, we have the same 8, 8, 9, 11. That's me right there. And then we have Bill Gates is in there, so $138 million. Just a little bit more than us. And then we got to find the middle. So let's do that. 8 and then that, and then 8 and that. And there's our middle. So our middle in this situation is 9. So we got an average 9. Didn't really affect it too much. And then we got the mean. Now remember, the mean is adding them all up. 8 plus 8 plus 8, or plus 9 plus 11. Divide by how many there are. So divide this by not 2 but 4. And I got that already kind of put in my calculator. I got 8 plus 9 plus 11. Figure out what that is. Divide it by 4. And I get 9. So our average there is 9. Equals 9. Now what happens when we put Bill Gates in there? Let's see if that changes it much. Probably not, right? Because the others didn't change too much. So we're at 138 million. Oh, that's a lot of zeros. $1 million. So and that, and then just divide that by 4 or 5 this time. So thus it will bring it way down. You divide it by 5. Holy cow! Okay, what is that? What a number is that anyway? Okay, we got a comma 20. That brings it up to, with Gates, it's, oh gosh, 8 plus 9 plus 11 plus 138 million equals $27,600,007, and we got to put in that 2 cents because that's important. That 2 cents. Oh, 20 cents. Sorry, 20 cents at the end. 20 cents. So, gosh, it looks like the mode wasn't affected at all in this scenario. The median was not affected at all either, or just by a half a thing. But when you put Bill Gates, his being an outlier, his massive salary being an outlier in here, look how much the average changed from 9 to $27 million. So something to think about, that when you have the outliers in there, they can definitely the mean could be meaningless, right? Because it really doesn't give you an idea of what the average income is in a classroom when you have someone like Bill Gates that just walks in the door throwing his money around like he does. So anyway, I just wanted to explain how mean, median, mode can be affected by these outliers. Median, not really affected much. Mode, not really affected much. But mean, man, it's meaningless once you throw those outliers in there. And that's how you can determine how things change when the data set is changed.